Hi there, I'm Maya and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to stop by very quick to show you my new pattern, Sweet Love Poncho. I want to show you how beautiful these dishes are, and more than that, I want to bring you to meet my beautiful tester, and this video is also dedicated to them, is to show them my gratitude that how happy I am to have them in the team and to have them work with me, and working with them showing me so much how important to be in the tribe, how important to create a strong community and work together as a teamwork. And these women, they are amazing. Really, you have to check their work out. You find all the information, the link to their shop, to their online or social media in the description box below. I want you to check their work out. Look at those colors, are so beautiful, and I really feel when we work together, like I really feel their heart and their support, their love really into what they're doing, and I'm so grateful to have them in our tribe. And if you want to be part of our tribe, just also check out our Facebook group. I put the link down below as well. And more than that, I'm giving 20% off coupon code. You can sign up to my mailing list and get that code right to your mailbox, and you can use right away on Ravelry. Alright, my beautiful friends, I see you next video. Have a beautiful time. Mwah. Bye bye.